In this video, I'll show you how you can use multiple charts on TradingView. Before we begin, if you're not yet a TradingView user, I highly recommend you sign up for their free trial. You can use the link in the description below to get started. Once you're signed in, open up a chart. Next, click on Select Layout at the top right of the screen. Depending on which plan you have, you can view up to 8 charts in one layout. There are many different options that you can choose based on your monitor setup. Once you have selected your layout, you can edit each individual chart by clicking on it until you see the blue highlight around it. Each chart can have its own indicators and assets. For example, I can put SPY on the top right chart with the volume profile on the 30-minute time frame, and put the left side as the daily chart with the Ichimoku cloud. Once you find a layout that works for you, and all of your indicators, stocks, and time frames are correct, you can save the layout so you can easily switch between them. To save your layout, click the drop-down arrow at the top right of the screen and click Save Layout. Depending on your plan, you can have up to unlimited save chart layouts. That's it for this video on how to use multiple charts on TradingView. If you are not yet a TradingView user, you can get a free trial with the link in the description so you can use multiple charts on TradingView today. Thanks for watching.